Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see mutual friends on Snapchat. So if you want to see mutual friends on Snapchat, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat application, now tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on your profile icon in friends you can see add friend and my friend. You have to tap on add friend. So after tapping on add friends you can see a bunch of friends. So suppose if you want to know how many mutual friends are there in the first person's account, you can see she has more than 2 mutual friends on her account, but if you tap on her account you can't see the profile of those mutual friends in her account. So you can know how many mutual friends are there, but you can't access their profile. So this is how to see mutual friends on Snapchat. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.